Hello all. As we discussed in our group, uh, we are just studying right now the draft analysis tool in Creo Parametric. Okay. So I have one part, plastic part. This is my part. Okay. So selection of the direction of the mold ejection and the selection of parting line we are going to study now. Okay. So this is my one of the plastic part. Okay. So we will just select. Sorry, something went wrong here. Okay. I just use a snipping tool. So now just selection of ejection of the mold direction. So just keep in mind wherever the slot is there. So I see the here one slot and one slot is here on this direction. Okay. So just seek wherever the slot is there. There is the axis of this. Okay. So just select this mold direction for ejection. This. Why? Because of this. Okay, I will show you one example for this. Okay, if my ejection direction is like this, core and cavity, suppose, so my parting line is like that. From here it will go like this, it will go like this, down here somewhere, and then like this. Agree? So this is my parting line. Okay, but the problem in this parting line is we have these two slots. We cannot demold these slots by using simple core and cavity tool. For this we need a lifter over here, or slider also. We can say slider also. Okay. So the automatically the cost of the tool it will get increased, and complexity of the tool also get increased. Again, due to the sliders on two sides, its complexity increase. Automatically its maintenance cost also increase if anything gone wrong or just dimensional changes are there. So automatically the cost of the tool maintenance also increase. So it is need to select the right parting line, or it need to select the right molding ejection direction. So here I see a slot here, so automatically my molding ejection direction is like this. Okay. So again, selection of parting line over here. So I can select various parting lines according to my project requirement. But how to seek that parting line, where is the parting line, just we will see according to the draft tool. Okay. So we will go to the analysis, draft. As you know, we have the ejection direction like this. In any part of the plastic you will seek the ejection direction. Okay, so this is a simple one. So we will just on the axis, so we have this axis. So after click the draft tool, one window, small window came. Okay, so this one is the surfaces. Okay, so select on this surface and click on the model tree part here. Just click on this, so automatically all surfaces get selected. Then select the direction. This direction is nothing but the mold ejection direction. So select the plane perpendicular to the slot axis. Okay, so slot axis, this one is my slot axis, and this is the by perpendicular plane. We can select the plane also, this plane, or right now there is only one plane. Okay, so we can select this plane or this plane. So I will select this plane, hide the planes and axis, not needed right now. So see, some colors are appearing here. Okay, so there are two colors. Which one is that? Blue one and something we can say red one. Okay, here we have draft angle. So uh, uh, as you see, if my draft angle is 3 degree for these surfaces. Okay, So first of all we discuss about the colors which are appearing here. So this white color shows that there is a no draft on these surfaces, and blue color shows that there is a even draft. See, if my core from this side, okay, so these surfaces are easily ejected. This which were seen in the red color, these surfaces are easily ejected. Okay, so this surfaces comes into the red color, but while ejecting these surfaces, okay, these surfaces, so there is a zero draft. On this condition, these surfaces get rubbed on the tool and automatically tool get damaged. So we need a draft over here. Okay, so first of all we will apply the some drafts. So go into the draft, we need draft here, right click, draft hinge. So for that I will add draft hinge for that and apply 0.5 degree draft. Done. I will apply the draft for this surface, right click, draft hinge. This one is my draft hinge, right click, pull direction. This is my pull direction. Okay, it not comes, so we need to select the all draft hinges around this draft hinge. So click shift, okay, and 0.5 again. Okay, done. So for these surfaces and this surface also we need to draft inside surface, right click, draft hinge, and this will be the positive draft. This is a negative draft, so we need a positive draft. Okay, now we will apply the draft from this side. Draft for this surface, right click, draft hinge. Okay, here again there is a negative draft. See, this is a negative draft, it will go the down side. So just flip the direction and apply 0.5 degree, and again for this slot also. The people who are knows the little bit plastic manufacturing, they will familiar with the drafts. Okay, again we need draft for these slots also. So draft this face, control press this face, control press this face, control press this face, right click, draft hinge, and this face. So again this is a negative draft, just flip the direction and I will apply 0.5. According to the tool maker, means tool maker on the depends upon tool maker feasibility, we can give the draft of 0.2 degree also, 0.3 degree also, 0.5 degree also. It is a depends upon the tool maker's feasibility, how they can manage the molding pressure, ejection time and all. So they will feasible uh, to select the draft angle. Okay, so now before we see before the drafts, we will see analysis, draft, selection the draft surfaces, direction of the draft. So before we see 0.5, here we apply 0.5, quick save. यहाँ से from here we can save this analysis. So I will just say before draft, before draft. Okay, see the white faces are there, so I will just take one snap of this. Okay, so again we want to modify, just go into the saved analysis and I will just unhide this. Done. I will just resume the drafts which we have given. Again go into the draft, select surfaces, same procedure, direction, this face and 0.5. Okay, it's okay. Now see, we have complete blue color on one side and red color from another side. No white faces are there. White faces indicates there is a no draft, and uh, perhaps no drafts means tool get rubbed on the plastic parts. Okay, so some rashes will come on these faces if there is a no draft. Okay, so this is a smooth tool ejection. And where is the parting line here? That two colors where the meet in draft analysis, this is your parting line. So in our case, so we will just save this analysis. Part analysis, we'll say just AN. Okay, so here this is my parting line where that two colors get meet. This is my parting line. Okay, and I just said that positive draft and negative draft. If I just hide that, if I modify this draft and shift the direction, okay, again I will just go into the draft and hide this. See, in blue color area, this red color is appearing here because of what? We just shifted the draft, so negative draft is there. So this is comes under the undercut. This is called as undercut. So we need to solve this. See how undercuts identified. On the side of parting line, all surfaces needs to be a blue, and on the side of left side of the parting line, all surfaces needs to be a red. So this is undercut. So how to remove this undercut? Just shift the draft. Okay, if any further improvements you needed or any further clarification you needed, just comment on this video. Okay, bye.